Hello everyone and welcome back to School Lab. So again we are back and we were building one chatbot for Discord server, but got some issue. So we just end that live stream and we will live again. Issue was something our application. So we will create a new application here. Just click new application and give name to our application. So we get bot server. Uh, okay, and by clicking here, we agree that it's called developer policy. Just create and our application is created. Okay, so this is application name and this is we can where we upload our app icon. Okay, so we go to this bot section here. Okay, so we click here and here we can upload image. So I just uh, uploaded one image here that is Discord with some Legos. Okay, and here we can give our username to the bot. So this is a bot server. It's fine for now. If you want to change the bot name, you can change from here, and then we just give some permissions and we enable this message content intent so that our bot can receive message content. Okay, so we just add here. Also we reset this token here. Okay, so we just copy and add in our code here and come back here. Now we ought save the changes and go here and here we come to O2 and here we click on bot. So we're doing this mistake, we are not clicking in the bot, we just selecting multiple options. Okay, so as you select on bot, here we can see the bot permissions here. So we need to give all the text permission. So we just click here, we give all the text related permission to our bot and this URL is created. Right, so this URL we use to invite this, this paste in the new tab and we here add about to a server and we have live code server here. Okay, okay, so these are the authorization it need and you are showing that you are okay and I am giving all the authorization to this bot and we give authorize and we will show that we are not a robot and if everything went well we should have our Discord. Okay, so if we go Discord here, uh, and we check live code server. And live code server, we have bot server, so it's a welcome bot server, and this is our bot that we created just now. It has dp that we added, and it's created on 10 July bot server. Okay, and here we have this uh, so here we go back to over here and bot and change this name bot server something name that look good. Okay, so we just and give the uh, we just giving Coven and say change it will get or not. Okay, so our bot name is now Corvin, and if we refresh here, now is we have this bot is uh, Corvin, and here we also have bot server. So I just delete this journal here from here. Uh, Delete channel and create new channel general, so we don't have our all chat here, and we create general here. So we have our fresh new uh, but our if we see here Corwin, it is uh, not active, it is come under the offline. Okay, so we need to run our this Corwin bot. Okay, so we need to write Python code to run this Corwin. So for that we just back to our code editor uh, here. So I just come here and create what knowledge.json. If we use our bot here, uh, create knowledge.json for Discord bot, where we have input and response key pair and hit. So this is our cursor AI, and it will generate completely. Okay, so it's completely, and we are accepted. So we have now these are the knowledge JSON. So you can add as many as response as you want. You can say also say something such as bye, it's say goodbye, have a great day. You can modify your response. You can add new things here. So there not much to explain here, but again you can copy that and paste it from the uh, I will provide you link. You can copy paste from that, or you can also just use this cursor AI to create all this thing. Okay, so we here create our file here, response.py. So we are now going to take care of the functionality. uh, so we just going to create the same chatbot that we so we import and we just terminal, and here we just type pip install discord.py, hit enter, and this will create that discord, and it will install our discord package here. um, we get best match. We give user questions, we receive user questions here, and get a string type. Again we get processed. uh, So we import one more thing from difflib import get close matches. Okay, difflib. Okay, and so what basically do we are doing here? Uh, we are just getting question and so we just match here type of list that going to get close matches and here we write match that is a type list equal get close matches use your question and equal 1 and we add here 0.6 that makes sure we get at least 60% accuracy. Then we can check if there is any matches. We are going to return the matches at the index of 0, which going to return the match best match. Then below we write def get response message that is type of string and knowledge that is dictionary type. Then it will give us back a string type of response. Okay, so this function, if you this function give us the question, return us the answer. Okay, so it give us back the question. So if we type hello, so it will just check the JSON and find uh, 60% accurate match from the JSON, and then it return the uh, question. So that make it easier to actually access the key from the dictionary. Okay, so now we write a function. Uh, I just check this name. Okay, so this function give us the answer that inside this we are going to get the best match uh, batch match uh, and we also define the str and also it should be null. Okay, so we just call this function get best match and we pass to argument uh, message and knowledge, and this knowledge we are going to load from this our knowledge.json. Okay. So if we get our answer, so answer answer it give us to knowledge.get is best match. So so this will search for the key in the dictionary, and if it does not find it return none. So it is very helper method, but if we don't get answer, it will going to return a uh, so next we have another function that called def load knowledge, and this we have a file path of string type and that return dictionary of knowledge. Okay, and then we open our file with open and the file path in read mode, uh, uh, as a file, and that return json dot load, and that file content that we get from here, and then we need to write. We run this file. Something this is line number 11 get hotel intended to mm-hmm. Invalid syntax, that get message with a structure, this one. Okay, anything else, str or none? Okay, so if we just say help here, and in response we just type and help and run. Hello there, how can I help? And we just type here uh, help me, and we enter. It's I can wait. Just ask me anything. Okay, so we like here we add cut of 0.6. So whatever we text here, it find the close match up to 60% accuracy. Okay, and as we get matches here, we have now that key that match we matched from this input. Help me, we match that from our question list, and then we come here matches. So we have match that is help. So this get match return the help. So here in best match we have help knowledge dot get help. So this give us the answer knowledge dot get knowledge. We have this knowledge JSON help, and this pick this I can help you with various tasks from this to the variable answer, and we return the answer. If we type something gibberish here, like and if we run again this, it's see I don't understand, please try again, because now it is not possible to uh, mm, identify. uh, so this is not working. Like if we just say hello, there's a typo mistake, like we did not write correct spelling of hello, but still it will work because it this function that we write here get close match this us find the enough matches even if we have typo in our code. Okay, so now everything is working fine since. Okay, so now we are not going to run like this. We So now we have taken care of chatbot functionality. Now that's left to do. We actually create the functions that run the Discord bot, and that means that we need to tell what to do when they are an incoming message and how to actually give it back. So let's go create one our new file, that is man.py. So here we recently we installed Discord library. So from that library Discord import client and intent, and we import responses, and we create one function run discord bot, and here we get token str, and we here give intent default, and which is going to give us the message content. So here we write intent dot message content equal true. So then we need to create the client that use those intent. So here we write client equal to client intent equal intent sum. And so this part here is the basic setup, that we are telling to Discord that we need a message content, and that we create client to make that request, and then we have knowledge. uh, so anytime you want to add any new response, go to this knowledge JSON, and you can share, so you can add any response. Even you can share this to your friend and or a colleague, they can work on that and write more intent or more uh, knowledge there. And we write this client event, and this intent tell program what to do in this series. For example, we create one asynchronous function here, async def on ready. So what on ready does, it perform code as soon as we start the board. So once we run this program, uh, we just typing here logged in as a client.user. So this is our bot user and which is login. Okay, here we write and running. So we just write another client event, that is a sing a def on message, and this is going to take a message here. So every time their message appear on that Discord server, uh, if message.author or client.user are equal, then it means that that message is from the our bot only. So we just so this continuation is very important, because if we cannot do this, it's going to have infinite recursive loop of answering to itself, which means like there is one message from chatbot and our script think this is a message we need to reply, but this check is uh, tackle that problem. So another check is if the message is not content, then so we are calling this a vector message channel, and that what we want that response to the our channel. So if message content is not there, so we print. So this cursor AI gives some suggestion that this token that we are getting, we just what it is. If we run this event loop is closed, I don't want my code only. We run Python empire. Event loop is closed. Why? Import token has passed. Uh, what happened? Improper token has passed. But why? Token है passing the token here, right? let me check. Token is expired तो नहीं होना चाहिए. If I go to this URL, here my application we just reset token. As I do it, and now we created new token, copy and come here and give token here, and now run the logging in using static share ID and gateway. Login is Corwin 2303 and running. So Corwin is running. Now our bot is running. If we go here and Discord, our Corwin is live now. Okay, here we write hi. Hello, nice to meet you. Right, so this is working. We have other type of JSON we responses here. Knowledge.json. If we write good morning and it's a good morning, hope you have wonderful day. Uh, how are you? And I'm doing great. And for asking how are. So now it is responding you based according to your uh, what it is according to your question, right? So this way you can create your own chatbot in Discord. We can implement many things in the chatbot. We can use multiple APIs, we have multiple APIs using this and create a wonderful applications or a chatbot using the Discord. So this is just a general. If we increase our this knowledge JSON, so it will give us more accurate, more good region. For if I just ask, can you check whether it's I don't understand you. 1 minute. Whether okay. If we can you tell me whether of London. Okay, so it's saying I don't understand what please dragon. But just now we are getting this question here in this main.py. We come here from here, right? Message.content. We receive message.content. Here we receive what is weather of. So weather we ask, and then we go to this function. We go to this function. Here we are checked. We are getting best match. Instead of get best match, we just call any chat GPT API, cloud API, any AI model API, or we can create our own AI model and give the response from that model. So it will work as we can integrate that AI, artificial intelligence here too. So that is we are able to create, we are able to send uh, the message here too. So this way it work. We will soon publish the code of this bot. Till then, good morning, good night, good morning, whatever it is. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.